Here we go. Doing all the allies for turn 5. Operation Go Birds. Let's do the UK. So UK, let's start on Proof Factories, Proof Constructions. Looks like a 1 and a 2, no good. And then UK is going to purchase, we're going to land lease. We're liking the large KMT presence right now. The Japanese were nice enough to not attack us this turn, so we're not going to repay the favor. But we need to make them a little stronger, so the British are going to send a Lend-Lease KMT fighter again. Then by 2 infantry. UK, Anzacs buying 1 infantry. FECs buying 1 infantry. 2 militia. Alright, that's it for that. Save 2. Save 1. 10, 30, 16. Alright. For non-combat moves, we are going to continue to monitor this German fleet. See where it's going. And then the Germans haven't really invested in their submarines. So UK fleet's going to stay put for now. It will actually move one of these destroyers off escort duty. Join up here. For Africa, this guy's gonna move here. This guy's moving here, here. Rail this guy there. Looks good. India. Put that guy in Bengal. And then Australia. Guy's straight chilling. Let's place units. I'm going to place 1 infantry in this factory up here. 1 infantry in this factory up there. Australian infantry. And then these Indian guys hanging out up here. Alright. We're going to collect. UK is 17. Far East is 7. Insects 5. Total of 18 there. 2 plus 5, 7. My memory is that of a goldfish. FEC 7. Alright. Then pull these guys through this major port. French are allowing all the way into home territory. Alright, on to the French. French tech. We want those rockets. 11. Big 11. Alright, so France wants to support the Chinese KMT. So they're going to land lease the Chinese artillery. We're going to finish the construction. Those guys. And then we're going to save 1. France non-combat. I'm going to move these guys into here. Yeah. this looks pretty okay for 7, 8, 9, 10, 3, 7, 11. Okay, with the fortification going. I think the Germans will be hard pressed to take France next turn if they want to. French Navy. Do I chase these battleships? What do I do? I don't really know what to do with these guys. Honestly, I don't know. We're gonna keep them here. We got some crazy ideas. Maybe not that crazy, but a little crazy. All right. Put this transport 1, 2. Just put these transports together. All right, France is done. KMT artillery is going to go through port. Hit right here. I think somebody changed the gravity on this. Maybe I'm going crazy. It'd be like a bird move. Is it? I bet you he slowed the. I don't know. Bird, you'll have to let me know if you change the gravity, or I'm just tired. Okay, so fortifications gonna get placed in France. Or Paris. Okay. This got to make it look good. It's a little uneven, but you get the picture. All right, so we're gonna. The Italians have said we can move on to the KMT USA. So we got a big KMT turn up ahead. So 11 KMT dollars. Do Burma Road is now open, July 1938. Yep. So I wonder if we can add it right here. We can add it. Cool. Give me a second. Gonna just plop that in real quick. Nice. All right. All right. So we got 11. We're gonna do KMT artillery. AA gun, artillery, infantry. Full 11. All right. So refresh myself with the rules. KMT can evolve into a major power when they have 13 IPPs in land territory. So we counted up what we're at right now. 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. Did I miscount? Wait a second. 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. Oh, yeah. Okay. All right. My plan is still ready. So we're going to go for the 13. We're going to go for a major power play here. Definitely risky. Definitely might not work, but I'm going to give it a roll. So we're going to do 2 attacks this turn. These 2 guys are going to Beiping, supported by 1 fighter. And then this fighter is going to attack Quintung, along with these 3 cavalry. So they're going to attack from here, so they'll retreat into there. And then everybody that can attack in front of Yunnan is going to attack from this side, along with this fighter. Okay, and then see how that goes. We're going to I really like what Michael does. He like sets it all up before, but I don't have time for that, so you can just speed this up if you want to. Get some colored dice here. We're going to be very deliberate. Oh, by the way, just to let, I'm gonna move these subs. I forgot these subs. These subs are gonna be 1, 2, 3 up here. Hang up the Japanese. I hope you don't mind that. All right, so we're gonna do this is mountain territory. We're gonna put the cavalry in this white dice right here. We're gonna put 4 1s, 4 infantry in gray. We have 2 fighters. We're gonna put the fighters in red. And then we have a artillery and an upgraded infantry. Put those in black. And then in defense, we'll just do this real quick. Just put over here. 3 artillery. Oh yeah, because we gotta do first strikes anyway. 2 Marines, 4s, and a militia. 2. Okay, so we got first strikes. We have 1 artillery out of 2 for the KMT. 3 artilleries at 3 for the Japanese. Let's roll it. First salvo. 1 kill for the Japanese. First strike. Nothing for the KMT. Alright, so artillery sitting out. These are the Marine 4s. Actually, I'll just roll attacking first so I can keep track of casualties. 1s, 2s. This is an upgraded infantry out of 2. Fighters at 6s. And then these guys will all retreat at 10, 11, or 12 into their respective territories. Uh-oh. Yeah, we got 1 hit. Big whiff on the fighters. The Japanese will take their militia. Oh, almost forgot again. Retreats. All right, a cavalry retreats. And that's it. Okay. 2 Marines. Militia. 1 hit. We will lose. Honestly, we're going to lose a cavalry here. Because if we don't get a big hit on this one, then we're getting out of there. Alright, so artillery are in play. I need to make one slightly different color. That does, just because it's an infantry that's going to retreat. Alright, this is the infantry. This will be the infantry upgraded to 2. Alright, so 1 cavalry at 2, infantry at 1, more 2s, 6s. Uh, 1, 2 hits. Ah, shoot. Alright, I think I said this was an infantry, so that doesn't retreat. And then that means that this definitely. Alright, so 2 hits. This was a casualty from last round. The situation is actually, I'm not quite sure. If I was the defender, I would want to guarantee that I could hold the island or the territory. So I'm going to take these guys as casualties, but leave it up to Michael if he wants to switch that out. So move these as casualties for now. The other salvo back. Militia goes down, so 4s, 3s. Oof, 2 hits. All right, 2 hits, 2 hits. We are going to. I mean, this is my play to go major, so I think I'm going to have to really push it here. So there's 2 infantry. And then these guys are going to go down. Plus, I mean, we're hitting the strong units for the Japanese too, so this is going to put them back a lot if we can win this as well. All right, so we got one left. They took 2 casualties there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so okay. Infantry, upgraded infantry, artillery, cavalry, 2 fighters. What does luck have to say? 6, 6, 6. Okay, that's a whiff. All right, 4s, 3s, whiffs, do over. Roll it again. All right, one hit, and we've got this is the artillery. This is one infantry retreat. So infantry retreats. I guess I could be taking as a casualty still. Ooh. I'm gonna pause my combat real quick. I'm really curious. I should have done this before. Oh, they may not be taking as casualties. Copy that. Okay, one infantry retreats to Yunnan. Casualties back for the defense. It's a whiff. All right, so just to verify, I got one hit. So artillery's down. Okay. Upgraded infantry, artillery, cavalry, 2 fighters. These fighters, man. Oh, this cavalry. It's a super cavalry. It's going to win me the battle. All right. Another casualty. Artillery's dead. 2 Marines left in defense. Whiffs. This is a retreat. So infantry retreats. And we've got 1 kill. Wow, this is pretty close, actually. All right, so the artillery cannot retreat, which is good. This cavalry can retreat. These 2 fighters. Honestly, I'll take a fighter as a casualty if I need to in this battle. All right, so we have 1 artillery left, 1 cavalry, 2 fighters, 1 marine. Let's see. This cavalry. Hang on a second. This is the KMT hero. All right. Marine back. It's a hit. Oh, shit. I can't kill the hero. I can't kill the hero. I gotta kill the artillery. I gotta kill the artillery. This guy's too clutch. Yeah. We'll lose the artillery, lose the marine. Craigton falls to the KMT. All right. KMT up 2. 1, 2. Japanese down 2. 1, 2. Japanese bonus. Delete there. 1 more combat. And this is actually just as important. So we have 2 infantry, 1 fighter, 1 Japanese defender with a bonus at 5. So we're going to have, we'll make these 2 infantry, 1 fighter. The black is the Japanese defender at 5. We're going to roll them all together. So this is the fighter, infantry, defending infantry. Oh, hell yeah. 2 hits, 1 hit back, no retreats. We got it. Okay. That's another +2 for the KMT. -2 for the Japanese. Clear this one out. KMT have gone major. Turn 5. All right. I will double check that it evolves into major power. Does it tell me? Once its land zone equals 13 IPP. Okay. After evolving, it selects a capital and may place one factory there at no cost. Subsequently, it can do everything else. All right, so we're going to place a medium factory. I think I will place my medium factory right here. And KMT are looking rock solid. Japanese have been pushed back. With the Russians on their doorstep, Japanese have a lot of tough decisions ahead of them. But the Allies have put in a ton of money into the KMT. UK are looking mighty thin. Let's see if the Axis have counterplay, and I know they do. So, all right, fighters going back. I guess a question. I haven't really gotten the KMT to major before. What if they can produce right out of the gate their medium factory? Because they lose their no longer has decentralized production or low morale. But I did buy things, so Bird, I wonder if you know that. You just let me know. I'll put a question mark. I'll put a question mark. Like, I don't know. Oh, you know what? Can I create like a note card? I don't know. I'll figure. Think mark on the fly. Okay. Okay. Question mark. All right, gentlemen. If I could. So these were placed with the Burma Road, but now I'm a major, so I should be able to just produce those. So if I had, so I think I'd place everything here. So if I force to, I will. If I had flexibility, I might move my buy, but like if I could, I would place this artillery here. But Bird and Michael, I'll let you weigh in on that. Okay, KMT are done. They're at 13. How are we looking here? How long is this recording? I have no idea. 23 minutes. That's actually pretty long. I kind of enjoy talking to myself. It's therapeutic. Okay. USA. Tech roll. 7 dice. Let's try to get this going. Strategic rockets. Heavy strategic bombers. Large ship construction. Long range aircraft. Jet fighters. Heavy armor. 6. And then proved construction. 7. Here we go. 6 is a miss. 11 is a hit. 5's a miss. 11's a hit. Jet fighters hit. Heavy armor hit. Proof construction miss. Much better than last turn, that's for sure. We can't land lease. We're at 11. We're going to save 11. We're at 28. USA is done. Over to the Italians for their turn, and then Germans for the next turn. Good luck, everybody.